The year is 2025, a time when the world stands on the brink of unprecedented change. The dawn of a new era is upon us, driven by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, becoming an indispensable part of our existence. It is here, and it is transforming our world in ways we could have only imagined a few years ago. From smart homes to intelligent cities, AI is at the core of this transformation. AI is changing how we live, work, and interact. It is enhancing our capabilities, making our lives more efficient and connected. It is a powerful tool with the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. From climate change to healthcare, AI is providing innovative solutions to complex problems. The AI landscape of 2025 is vibrant and dynamic. It is a hub of innovation where new ideas and technologies are constantly emerging. It is a landscape of innovation, growth, and transformation. AI-driven innovations are reshaping industries and creating new opportunities. AI is no longer confined to research labs. It has moved beyond theoretical applications and is now being used in real-world scenarios. It is being adopted across industries, from healthcare and education to finance and manufacturing. Each sector is leveraging AI to enhance efficiency and drive innovation. This widespread adoption is fueled by the increasing availability of data, advances in computing power, and the development of sophisticated algorithms. These factors are enabling AI to reach new heights. AI is becoming more powerful, more accessible, and more affordable. This democratization of AI technology is opening up new possibilities for individuals and businesses alike. This has led to an explosion of AI applications and solutions. Startups and established companies are exploring new ways to harness the power of AI. The future belongs to those who understand and embrace AI. It is essential to stay informed and adapt to the changes brought about by this technology. It is time to explore the possibilities and prepare for the changes that lie ahead. Education and awareness are key to navigating this new era. Let's delve into the key developments shaping the AI landscape of 2025. Join us as we explore the innovations and breakthroughs that are defining this exciting era. By 2025, AI adoption has become mainstream, transforming the way we live and work. Businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, are leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. They are using AI to automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making processes, and create innovative new products and services that were previously unimaginable. One of the most significant developments in this space is the rise of generative AI, a technology that is revolutionizing content creation. This powerful technology can create new content such as text, images, and code, enabling creative professionals to push the boundaries of their work. Businesses use generative AI to enhance customer interactions, automate content creation, and develop innovative solutions that set them apart from the competition. For instance, marketing teams are employing AI agents to personalize customer experiences, making interactions more engaging and relevant. These AI agents can analyze vast amounts of customer data to provide tailored recommendations and support, ensuring that each customer feels valued and understood. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives significant sales growth, as happy customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. Furthermore, businesses are increasingly integrating AI into their core operations, transforming the way they function on a fundamental level. They're using AI to optimize supply chains, predict maintenance needs, and detect fraud, ensuring smoother and more secure operations. This not only improves efficiency and reduces costs, but also minimizes risks, making businesses more resilient and adaptable in an ever-changing market. Edge computing is another game-changer in the AI landscape of 2025. It represents a significant shift from traditional cloud computing by bringing data processing closer to the source of data generation. It involves processing data closer to its source, typically on devices like smartphones, sensors, and industrial equipment. This proximity allows for faster data processing and immediate insights, which are crucial for time-sensitive applications. This eliminates the need to send data to the cloud for processing, reducing latency and improving response times. By keeping data local, edge computing ensures that critical decisions can be made in real time without the delays associated with cloud-based processing. The benefits of edge computing are particularly significant for industries that require real-time decision-making. In manufacturing, for instance, edge computing allows for immediate adjustments to be made on the production line, enhancing efficiency and reducing downtime. For example, in autonomous driving, edge computing enables vehicles to process sensor data instantly, allowing them to react to changing road conditions without delay. This capability is essential for the safety and reliability of self-driving cars. Moreover, edge computing enhances data security. By processing data locally, sensitive information is less exposed to potential breaches during transmission, providing an added layer of protection. With data processed locally, the risk of data breaches during transmission is minimized. This is particularly important in sectors like healthcare and finance, where data integrity and confidentiality are paramount. This is crucial in industries dealing with sensitive information, such as healthcare and finance. In these fields, edge computing not only improves performance, but also ensures that personal and financial data remains secure and private. The healthcare industry is experiencing a profound transformation driven by AI. AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and improve patient care. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with remarkable accuracy. This enables doctors to detect diseases at an early stage, improving the chances of successful treatment. AI is also accelerating the drug discovery process. Researchers are using AI to identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. This is reducing the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market. Furthermore, AI is enabling personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's genetic information, medical history, and lifestyle, AI can help doctors develop customized treatment plans. Section 5. Transforming education, a personalized approach. AI is also transforming the education landscape, making learning more personalized and engaging. AI-powered learning platforms can adapt to each student's learning style and pace. These platforms track student progress and provide personalized feedback and support. AI is also helping to bridge the education gap. AI-powered educational resources can reach students in remote and underserved areas, providing them with access to quality education. Section 6. Enhancing business operations with AI. AI is becoming an indispensable tool for businesses across industries. It enhances operational efficiency, improves decision-making, and drives innovation. AI-powered analytics platforms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, patterns, and insights. This enables businesses to make informed decisions, optimize pricing strategies, and anticipate market changes. AI is also automating routine tasks, such as data entry, customer support, and invoice processing. Section 7. Building the foundation for AI growth. The rapid adoption of AI requires robust infrastructure. This includes data centers, computing power, and skilled professionals. Hyperscale data centers are essential for storing and processing the vast amounts of data generated by AI applications. These data centers require significant investment and must be designed for energy efficiency and scalability. Additionally, AI development relies on powerful computing resources such as GPUs and specialized AI chips. These hardware advancements enable faster processing of complex AI models. Section 8. Navigating the ethical landscape of AI. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical considerations become paramount. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. One of the key challenges is addressing bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on data, and if the data reflects existing biases, the AI system will perpetuate those biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Transparency and accountability are also crucial. It's essential to understand how AI systems make decisions and to hold developers accountable for the consequences of those decisions. Section 9. Shaping the future of work with AI. AI is transforming the nature of work. While some jobs will be automated, AI will also create new opportunities. It's essential to prepare the workforce for these changes through reskilling and upskilling programs. The demand for professionals with AI skills is rapidly increasing. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must collaborate to provide individuals with the necessary training and support. The future of work will involve collaboration between humans and AI systems.